In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read your reports in Shopify and analyze your Shopify store effectively. Whether you're new to Shopify or looking to sharpen your analytical skills, understanding how to interpret these reports is crucial for driving your business forward. First, let's navigate to where all the magic happens. Log into your Shopify account, and once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Click on Analytics, and from the drop-down select Reports. This is where you'll find a treasure trove of data that can give you deep insights into your store's performance. Now let's open some key reports. Start with sales over time. This report will show you how your sales are trending, allowing you to spot any peaks or dips. Next, check out sessions over time to understand your store's traffic patterns. Following that, take a look at your conversion rate report, which is crucial for understanding how effectively your site turns visitors into customers. Lastly, review the top products report to see which items are driving the most revenue. As you examine these reports, pay special attention to a few critical metrics. Total sales and the number of orders will give you a snapshot of your overall performance. Your average order value, or AOV, will help you understand how much customers are spending each time they check out. Don't forget to keep a close eye on your conversion rate, as a healthy conversion rate is key to a successful online store. Now that we have the data, let's dive into the analysis part. Compare your sales data against your sessions data. If you notice high traffic but low sales, it might be time to take a closer look at your product pages. Are they engaging and persuasive enough? If your traffic is low, consider ramping up your marketing efforts to attract more visitors. Your top products report is a goldmine. Focus on these winning products and think about how you can leverage their popularity even further. Conversely, for products that aren't performing well, consider whether they need improvement or if it's time to remove them from your lineup. Monitoring your conversion rate is pivotal. If it's not as high as you'd like, consider enhancing your product images, adjusting your pricing strategy, or increasing trust signals on your site to reassure potential buyers. Also, take a look at your traffic sources. Identify which channels are bringing in the most visitors and double down on those efforts. Don't overlook the importance of returning customers. If this number is low, it could be beneficial to improve your retention strategies, perhaps through targeted email campaigns or special offers. Lastly, look at your average order value and think about ways to increase it, such as offering product bundles or upsells. Make it a habit to go through these reports weekly. This consistent review will keep you informed and ready to make strategic decisions. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering your Shopify store's analytics. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your online business.